For refuah on Shabbos, are you allowed to cook or bake medicine into food before Shabbos? For example, prescription or over-the-counter medicine?
Yes, there is no problem. There is no problem. So if it's like a prescription medicine, just so you know, for and I have this case. Not once I had to yell at people. I say, "You normal?" Like I'm going to give that. There is what is it antibiotics, right? They say sometimes they give for 5 days, 7 days, 9 days, whatever doctor, whatever dosage, whatever they give. So, but you have to take consecutively. So you cannot stop on Shabbos, and there are a few people they stop on Shabbos, and because I said you can ask it simple question. Why would you assume that no, we don't take a medicine on Shabbos? I said not in these cases. There is right, so it's a must because I'm not a big medical expert, but we learn in that book. So if you do one day break, right, with this antibiotics, so it's like all of the days before wasted. Why? Because they build up the like antibiotics in the body. I mean that's how I understood. So like you basically, and then of course they're not very good for the body because they kill your immune system. So like what are you doing? You understand? So, and similar things, for example, somebody is taking medicine from high blood pressure, like I don't know, for other things. So it's a must take every day. Right? It's a must. It's not like I'm trying to be stringent. Absolutely not. From liver support, well, whatever people take for kidney, whatever, like on every day, you must take every day, like normal way on Shabbos.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So whatever is not allowed is optional medicine. So for example, I like recently had a headache on Shabbos. Okay, is it was so severe that I had to lie down? No, it was very bad, but not so bad that would like make me bedridden. So that's it. So that's in this case we don't take medicine.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.